So some of you have followed us on the journey that we've been on over the past couple of months through the why, the what, and the how of smart towns. And so, as this is the fourth masterclass, we're finishing off on the what. And in exploring the what, we've covered what we can learn from about our towns from sense data, but we've also had a look at the Internet of Things and how we generate data for our town. And last time we looked at the basics of IoT, but we also look at the concept of digital twins and, as David said, the responsible use of location data. And today we're really pleased that our speakers are going to take us on understanding the connectivity infrastructure that's needed for a town. And we're going to also explore a use case that really draws on that connectivity. So thanks very much.